What's up guys, it's your boy Ali, back at it again with another Fortnite Battle Royale video. Let's, please don't leave out, we'll do it again, I'm sorry.
Alright, so before I say anything else, yes, I'm aware of this terrible lighting. I mean, I do got a full-grown shadow right behind me, what's good? But hey, it is what it is. And also, this camera quality is pretty trash, but all I have to work with is a Huawei phone. What is stupid name? Huawei phone, okay? So that's what I have to work with, so just bear with me, alright? So anyways, I'm guessing you're here because you already built, or maybe you're planning on building yourself a PC, you're not sure where to start. Don't worry, I'm here to help you, I got you. It's not that hard, trust me, honestly. I know it seems hard, but it's not that hard. You could honestly build yourself a PC in like 3 minutes. You don't believe me? Alright, bet, put money on. No, I'm just kidding. Let's get into it. Alright, so all we're gonna need to get started is a network connection and an internet browser. So first thing you want to do is head to your internet browser and type up letsbld.com. LetsBLD is a website created by NCXT. NCXT is a company that specializes in computer parts, such as case fans and just cases in general. So first you want to hit get started. Now this page is filled with games that people currently play the most. So what you want to do is choose a game that you're going to play the most. So let's hit 1, 2, 3. Alright, and head to pick your prize. Now on the left side is the recommended FPS you should be playing at if you want good performance at 1920 by 1080p. Alright, so pick your prize. When it comes to the CPU, it doesn't really matter which CPU you choose, because it'll always pick the parts that are most compatible for the best gameplay. Alright, let's go with AMD. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's what your PC looks like, and these are the parts that are in it. Now if you don't like anything about this, you can always hit configure. Alright, it should take you to this page, which pretty much has a list of all the parts that are in your PC and all the parts that you can add. Let's say you didn't like the case because maybe it's too, say, white. You could always go to the special edition side. And let's say you like Ninja, you could always choose a case just like that. Now when you add something, it'll always give you a notice if any physical changes have been made to your system. Right, you like what you see now, it's all good now, so you just head to checkout and then check out again. It'll take a little while to process everything you just added. Okay, and that's it. So from here you just add your details in and then continue to shipping method, and that's it. So you pretty much just built yourself a PC in under, let's say, 3 minutes. Easy. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.
You're still here. It's over. Go home. Go.
Oh! Hey guys, what's going on? So did you enjoy that? Yeah, I bet you did. Now obviously there's nothing wrong with that method. That's a very easy way to build yourself a PC. But then again, did you really though? Because you don't know what parts are in your PC. All you know is that you build your PC and you can play Fortnite. Now that's great and all, but what if it like breaks down or something? You won't even know how to go about fixing it. You might as well just turn it into a repair shop to fix it and just pay money like that. I mean, you probably might end up even if you know what's in it, but at least you know, right? So there's a second way of building the PC. Well, there's multiple ways, but this is another way you can build it. This way is much more hands-on, I guess, because you know, build it yourself. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, the first and most important step to building a PC is to actually establish what type of PC we're building, and that depends on what we're going to be doing with the PC exactly. Whether it's gaming, streaming, editing, schoolwork, or a combination of each. Second thing we need to do is set ourselves a budget. Now if you're sitting there going,
I don't need a budget, I've got a lot of money.
Well, unless you have an infinite amount of money, you're still going to need to set yourself a budget. Why? Well, to stop yourself from buying unnecessary parts. RTS cards. Sorry. I recommend writing down your budget somewhere, so you don't end up, forgetting about it. If you want, I recommend opening up notes on your desktop and just writing it down somewhere. But if you don't have a clue how much you want to spend, well, that's alright. Okay, so just like with any other products out there on the market, there are a lot of sites and stores you can buy parts from. But before we even get to buying parts, we need to figure out exactly what parts we're going to be using for our PC. For this tutorial, we're going to be using PC Part Picker to figure out what we need. In my opinion, this is the best site for building a PC, especially if it's your first time trying it out. Alright. A little side note before we begin. The PC we're building is a replacement for an old family PC, as requested by the family. So the budget has already been set at $1,000, $150. And just for the purpose of this video, I asked around my family members for what they do with a new PC. There were a lot of answers, but the main two ran along the lines of, and I quote, probably sell the PlayStation and buy some V-Bucks so I can look cool in Fortnite when I play it. And I might start streaming and open up a YouTube channel like S. Now my current PC can handle both of those tasks pretty well, so we're going to use it as a benchmark. Alright, so here's the list of my current PC. As you can see, there's a big difference between the price, but hey, that's fine because my PC was built early last year, and prices have changed drastically due to some useless, overpowered new PC parts. But I guess it's for the best. Anyways, when it comes to building a PC in general, there are a lot of specs, and we only need to not worry about a handful of them. The ones we need to worry about are basically the ones concerning the speed, the price, and the efficiency. To make it all easy, I recommend sticking to the 3 levels, or rather the 3 series of CPU parts, which will basically help us determine everything else. What I mean by that is, so there are a bunch of CPUs that you can choose from. You probably don't know what I mean by that, but when we get to it, you probably know. Alright, now as you can see, there is a long list of PC parts. You can start from whichever one you want to start from. So I just finished putting the parts together, and this is pretty much what I turned out with. So I managed to upgrade a few parts such as the CPU, the motherboard, the graphics card, and even bought a new cooler. It only just went slightly above the budget. I feel pretty proud of myself. I just went to show my parents, and they tell me, you should check out this $900 PC we found. I was like, where? And they go, BOD, I believe. So I went to check it out, yeah. And I thought, wait a minute, there is no $900 PC. It starts at $1,000, right? No, I was wrong. There's an $899 PC. So I decided to scroll down to look at the parts. And comparing it to the one that I just built right now, it's a better PC. What's the point in spending all that time creating a list of all those parts if you could literally just get a working PC delivered to you in just a week and for a lesser price? They've got PCs ranging from $899 to $2,500, so I'm sure no matter what you're trying to play, it's gonna be a PC there for you. And that's why I've chosen to go with the $899 PC. Just like that, with a click of a few buttons, just build yourself a PC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.